Power Trick or Trade. All right, people. As you can see, I posted. I gave a heads up on Power Trick or Trade for Twitter on May the 30th. Let's take a look what I said. Again, these options. This gained about 250% gains for June the 8th. Close. Let's take a look here, and we confirmed. And I'll show you the confirmation date and everything. So let's go inside this video here. I'm going to go inside the video. Give me a second. All right, people. So here we are on May the 30th, and I posted everything here. Okay, the options to use. These are the July 34. Okay, I said Twitter is set up to test 40 to 43. The July 34 calls are good to use. So, of course, today we've tested in between 40 to 43 already, and we are June the 8th, and we've plenty of times with these July calls. But just to show you the big picture, expert in everything. So basically what I said in this video is that I was going to post the confirmation inside of PowerGroupTrades, but I did give the heads up. I did give people choices of what they want to do. I did give the heads up, and I guess I actually had a member that wasn't inside of, his name is Miguel, that is inside of PowerGroupTrades now, but he actually just listened, he just took the advice of going along the options without even waiting for confirmation. Because he wasn't inside of PowerGroupTrades. So let's go into side of PowerGroupTrades here. So here I posted here on June the 1st, Twitter confirming with the July 20 34 calls at $260. So on confirmation, they cost $260 because it took till June the 1st for it to confirm the plan. And let's go take a look at the result so far. Actually, before I do that, let's go look what I said in the plan here. Okay, so you see the what we, because this is the, see, I posted it also May 30th. So let's take a look in here. Okay, so as you can see here, I posted the actual plan. So Twitter needs to break over 35 on some good action volume, and good action volume is 2 million at least on a 10-minute chart. Well, we did confirm and we did break over 35. Let's see some of the notes I said here. I want to show you this so inside. So that's why I want to become a member. So let's go up here. SPY plan, of course, a big winning plan as well. So here I said, made Twitter lacking volume. It will need to base above 35 and show power towards 35.25. Okay, so basically that's where we entered, basically as it got above the 35.25 area. And that happened on, as here you were, June the 1st. Twitter confirming with the July 20th, 34 calls at 260. Okay, let's look at the outcome here, July the 8th. All right, so here we are. I'm going to do something different. We're in the charting software here. And, of course, you can see this is June the 8th. This is the close, was 41.21. Okay, and here are the July 20, 34 calls. And they closed at $755 per option. That is greater than 250% gains. And there's still more gains, but I'm documenting it at this point right now, just because it's been, usually I like these type of gains within 3 or 4 days. We do that a lot with stuff like Amazon, but things like Twitter is a little slower. But again, this is a great documentation of 250% gain, just to help people wake up and smell the coffee. You know what I'm saying, people? So you can see that. So it's just called big picture thinking. You can't do that with a little petty trader guys out there. Tim Sykes can't do stuff like this. He's a little baby trader. You know what I'm saying? A little petty pop trader. Let's see him play with the big boys. And then, anyways, another way to show this, people, is let's take a look here on a 5-minute chart on June the 1st, where I posted the confirmation, right? And as you can see, within the first 5 minutes, Twitter closed up to 35.53. So we had to really get, you had to really get in this. And at the same time, you can see that the volume was 1.9 million, right? So yeah, this is what we had to pay at the time to get in. So you go take a look at your June 1st, take a look at a 5-minute chart, right? And you can see that. And then, of course, by 10 o'clock, it wasn't much higher, but then it started to You know what I mean, people? So you can look at a 30-minute chart as well. So you can see that this confirmed with the price power and the volume, and you see the outcome. And this is called big picture thinking. Okay, people? And in fact, when I put the plan, so a few days later it confirms. All right, people? All right, people, welcome to PowerGroupTrades. Confirmation is key. I should suggest you subscribe to this YouTube channel. A lot of great, so make sure you get it. If you don't have a YouTube account, get one, subscribe manually. One of the reasons being is there's a lot of great information on here, especially this created playlist, okay? And this created playlist is many plans like you're seeing in the Twitter plan, but for many stocks like Google L, Amazon's, Baidu, FedEx, you name it, PowerGroupTrade, we've caught it. We're talking about the stocks that count, you know, in the market, not little penny stock baby mind trading. No. You know, phony movements. We're talking about real stock movements, real companies, you know, solid companies. PowerGroupTrade, big picture expert, leading, guiding the market higher. Everybody was bearish on April. You want to see what I said about the SPY? I'm going to be ringing in a lot. Oh, you're going to see what I'm going to be doing. A lot of clowns out there. Peter Brandt's with his negativity. You're going to see. He knows these are guessers. You want a big picture expert on your side. You better subscribe. Up to you. Anyways, if you have a YouTube account, I'm going to give you an easy way to subscribe. See this picture of me at the end of the video? You're going to see it in a circle format. Simply click on it and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. So there you have it, people. I suggest you study. If you want to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades, I explain how to do so in my live streams in the beginning. When you subscribe, I'm always going to be doing it, explaining to people what to do, how to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades. Okay, I don't want just anybody. It has to be people that are serious about success. They're not lazy, and they're willing to learn. And you also want to respect my style and my rules. So let's see what I say. PowerGroupTrades Samuel here, the big picture expert. You want to study my creative playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on PowerGroupTrades. You can also find my website link. And don't forget, there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.